Where you going?
I gotta get to work. I can't be sleeping all day.
Gotta get to work. Come.
No. You need a ride back to town?
Yeah. Sure.
Yeah, go ahead. Hop in there. Whoa!
I'll ride right here.
What are you doing?
Right here. It's okay. Just go.
What are you, crazy?
Text me as soon as possible, Jimmy.
Better hang on.
Just gotta dance. Just gotta dance.
Okay.
Back straight. Back.
Oh, my God!
That was a trash can. He fucking fell out of his seat.